How to remove sample posts and comments from a new WordPress blog. Log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. The left sidebar menu displays different options. Hover your cursor over the post option and the submenu will appear. Click on all posts. Hover your cursor over the title of the sample post and various options will appear. Click the trash option. The sample post has moved to the trash folder. Similarly, you can remove sample comments. Click the comments option on the left sidebar menu and hover your cursor over the sample comment. Click the trash option. The sample comment has been moved to the trash folder. Thank you for watching.